Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you common PrizePicks mistakes and how to avoid them. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. So some common PrizePicks mistakes are overloading your entries with picks, trying to pick too many players in a single entry when you don't have enough confidence in each pick can lead to lower odds of winning, especially when opting for power play. In order to avoid it, start small, begin with 2 to 3 picks per entry, especially if you are new to PrizePicks. This helps reduce the risks and allows you to focus on higher quality sections. Only add picks if you are confident. Don't feel pressure to fill your entry with picks just for the sake of it. Focus on quality over quantity. Number 2 is ignoring player and game research. Not doing enough research on players, teams or matches before placing bets can result in poorly informed picks and lower chances of winning. In order to avoid it, study player status, track historical data and use resources. Number 3 is relying too heavily on parlay plays. Relying on large parlays with a lot of picks to chase bigger payouts can be tempting, but the odds of hitting all the picks in parlay are lower, leading to frequent losses. To avoid it, mix power and flex plays and focus on safer bets. Number 4 is forgetting about the cash out options. PrizePicks offers a cash out option for many bets. Some players overlook it and let bets run to completion, missing the opportunity to lock in a profit or limit loss. In order to avoid it, monitor your bets and evaluate the situation. Next is not managing your bankroll. Wagering too much on a single bet or not setting limits can quickly deplete your bankroll if things don't go your way. In order to avoid it, set a budget, practice responsible betting and diversify your bet. Ignoring legal restrictions in your state or region also can be one of the mistakes. To avoid it, check local regulations, avoid using VPNs. Failing to understand PrizePicks scoring system is also another mistake. So that's basically how you can do it, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did. Comment down below what the next video should be on. Consider subbing to the channel. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.